bring more a little bit of interaction between your website and your visitors, you can, for your pages, bring in comments with either Facebook or Discuss. This is useful where you are running a blog. Let's see how you do that with the comments element. Within this block, I will click on the Add Elements and I'll scroll down to where we have the social elements. Click hold on comments and drag it into the block. By default, it loads the Facebook comment and the user is already logged in. So whoever the visitor is, their profile image will appear over here. These are just examples. Let's save this page at this moment, and then we go view it on the front end so you can understand from the very beginning how it will look for a visitor that comes to your site. Select Preview, and we scroll to the bottom. And there you go. At the bottom of your page, there's a comment section rendered by Facebook, and you as a visitor who is logged in into Facebook can leave a comment here. And this, you can populate comments for that specific page. Very straightforward. Back in the builder, if you click on it, you will notice that there aren't many features here. The first option that we have under comments is to put it on Facebook, or we can put it on Discuss. Let's go back to Facebook first and just look at the option that you have below the setting, and that is how many posts of comments do you want to display. It is set to 10, which is reasonable. Next to that, you link it to the current page, which is this page that you are using for the comments. If you want to, you can also bring in a custom page and add the URL in this field. For Discuss, you have a few more options. And that is to bring in the short name. Again, for the link, you can put it on a custom page or the current page, which is the page on which they are leaving the comments. If you go all the way to the top right corner of this element, you will find additional settings which are related to styling and effects. You have again options like colors, the alignment, and under settings, you can change the width of this element. Then you have your styling effects as well as duplicate and delete. This is also a straightforward element when it comes to responsive design. If I go to tablet and I select it, you will see that you don't have any control over the content of it. From the options toolbar, you do have control over the width. That is responsive and does not affect the different designs and will respond from one design to the next.